Winston, foul, give him
78. I am 84.
What's your name?
Camp Keenan. You might know my older brother Wood.
Wood?
He was 79.
Okay. Tell me your names. Go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Albert Howard.
Jimmy Cash.
And what year?
78.
78. You guys played for Coach. What was his best saying when you played for him? His best saying. What was his go-to?
For me, it was, Howard, why'd you do that? I thought, no, don't you ever think again.
Stop killing the grass.
James McCaskill also lost his pants in the process.
Yeah, best to put those on. But they ran the slant, the quick slant, and able to haul that one in as injury on the play, Dave.
McCaskill, I initially thought he went down just because his pants were down, but right now it looks like he's injured. He's face down on the field turf.